Hey there, welcome to Plugtv Live. On Plugtv Live today, actor and comedian Uchemba is set to get married. Details in just a little bit. Nollywood star Uchemba has proposed to his longtime girlfriend Brunella Oscar. The movie star announced the big news via his Instagram page on Saturday, October 31st, 2020. According to the humanitarian, he says, "There comes a time in a man's life when he is ready, when he needs to settle, and there is no better time than now." He added, "For many years, my major prayer point has been for God to give me a life and destiny partner that can understand my complex nature as well as my calling to serve God and humanity and vice versa." While jotting down awesome words for his girlfriend, now fiancé, Uchemba shared pictures as well as a cute video documenting their time together. Let's check out the video. Well, it's such a beautiful sight to see two people fall in love. That's all we have for you on The Gist today. Remember to like and subscribe to Plugtv Live before you go. See you soon.